The QuietCool AFR Pro 1.3 is our most affordable roof mount attic fan. Our new generation of the AFR line takes our best roof mount attic fan to the next level with a brand new design. This unparalleled design improves airflow, efficiency, and ease of installation, making the new AFR line the best roof mount attic fan line on the market today. Designed in the USA, this fan comes with a one-piece stamped steel hood with no seams or welds, high-performance fan blades that cut through the air in the most efficient and effective way possible, a 2-speed capable permanent split capacitor motor that can be wired on low or high speed, and a one-piece perforated cylindrical housing with integrated wildlife guard. This housing features a high-quality polyester paint coating that provides premium film integrity and extreme UV protection. This housing also features interchangeable flashings to accommodate different roof types. The AFR includes a primary flashing for installation on shingle roofs. With the optional secondary flashing installed over the primary flashing, the AFR can be installed on a cement tile roof with no fabrication required. The malleable aluminum design allows the secondary flashing to be molded to fit S-tile, M-tile, and many other types of roofs as well. With the removal of the primary flashing, the optional curb flashing can be installed to curb mount the AFR to a flat or low-pitched roof with no fabrication needed. The AFR Pro 1.3 was designed with durability in mind. This design allows our high-quality products to lead the industry with up to a 15-year warranty. And with an included 20-foot power cord, installation is a breeze. The AFR Pro 1.3 includes a thermostat that offers easy control of your fan. With set points between 50 degrees and 120 degrees, you can set your attic fan to turn on any time of the year. With the 2-speed motor, you can also choose which speed you would like to use when wiring your thermostat. This fan pulls fresh outdoor air in through your attic vents, circulates throughout your attic, and then pushes that air back out your attic automatically. This increased airflow in the attic allows the home to stay within as low as 10 degrees of the outside temperature in the summer. All of these features operate at just a few pennies an hour due to our energy-efficient motors. The QuietCool Smart Attic Fan line is one of the best upgrades you can make in your home and is here to revolutionize how you cool, ventilate, and protect your home.